but we can be optimistic about our lives. We can be optimistic about the future. We can be hopeful because of the coming of the Lord Jesus Christ. The God who does not lie has promised that he will return. He has promised that he will bring in the new heavens and earth, and he has promised that his people will share that with him. We live between the past of what Christ has done for us on the cross. We live between that and the present of the return of Jesus to take us to be with himself. We have, and all this leads to these great expectations. We live between these two realities. We look backwards in faith to what Christ has done. We look forward in hope to what Christ will do. We look around in love as we live our lives now.